Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Atina lace frontal wig right here. Look at that. Look at that. I am loving it. So I'm going to show you guys how I install this hair, and I'm also going to show you guys the type of styles that I would actually prefer to wear with this hair. And this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with loads and loads of amazing goodies. As you guys already know, I worked with Atina hair before, and yep, you guys got an elastic band, a wig cap, baby hair comb, and also baby hair, hair tie, if that makes sense. I love this brand, and I'm quite excited to work with them again because of the quality of their hair. Look at the hairline of the hair, guys. The hairline is actually calling my name. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just cut the lace and you would be good to go. Look at the back of the hair, guys. The back of the hair was also customized for you guys, to the point that all you have to do is just put your wig on and you don't have to do nothing straight from the box. The knot has been bleached for you guys. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, and the hair also comes with elastic band, elastic strap, and 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. So it's basically a glueless lace wig, so you don't have to install the hair with any glue or gel. But as always, I like to wear my wig with glue, just to be able to wear the hair for a while before giving you guys the tea of the hair during my voiceover. So yeah, I went ahead and applied the Diala Cosmetics glue on my hairline where I would be placing the lace, and I did the same thing on the other side as well. You can go for 2 layers, 1 layer, depending on you, depending on how long you want to wear the hair. But after that, I placed the lace of the hairline on the glue. Exactly where the glue ended was where I placed the lace of the hair, if that makes sense. So it's very easy to install, and the lace of the wig for me is just fantastic, guys. The lace of the wig is super duper soft and very easy to work with. It's a crystal lace, so which means it's very transparent. I mean, it's more or less like your skin. Look at that. Look at the hairline, guys. Look at the hairline. Just take a look at the hairline and look at where the lace is. You can barely tell. So yep, that's the amazing fact about crystal lace. It's actually like shows your skin, unlike you having to apply foundation or concealer. You don't need all those stuff. Trust me, with this lace you don't need all those stuff. As you can tell, voila, it looks so natural. I love the hairline of this hair. I love the fact that I don't have to stress myself to install the hair or stress myself to customize the hair. One of the amazing things I love about Atina hair, they are always paying attention to details when it comes to the construction of their wig units. I said wig unit, construction of their units, and yep, I love the hair, and the fact that the hair was silky straight from the box. I didn't have to straighten the hair, but I just did it just to show you guys that the hair is actually 100% human hair. You can dye it, you can tongue it, you can bleach it, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair. And bear in mind that the lace of this hair is different from an HD lace. This is transparent lace, so I'll come to that in a bit. But yeah, let me enjoy watching myself looking cute in this hair. Look at that. Look at that. I was feeling myself genuinely. I get stopped by a lot of people like, wow, I love your hair looks amazing, because it's a wig, it's not mine. I love the hair, it looks so natural. The hairline is just fantastic for me, and this is the way that the hair came straight from the box. So as I mentioned earlier, this is transparent lace. The first one here is transparent lace, and the one that I'm going to touch there I'll show you in a bit, is the clear lace. As you can tell, crystal lace, I mean, the crystal lace melted into my skin. The one I'm touching right there is crystal lace. Look at that compared to the normal transparent lace. It disappeared into my skin effortlessly. It's very, very thin and melts into the skin to give a natural hairline. I also thought it'd be nice to show you guys how I installed the back. It's very, very easy. Apply the glue on the areas where you want to place the lace, and place the lace exactly where you apply the glue, and you will be good to go. Look at that. I love the hairline of the hair at the back as well. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Atina 360 lace frontal wig right here. I am loving it, guys. Like, show me the lace. Look at that. I'm loving the hairline, I'm loving the lace, and I am loving the hair overall. Just gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. First thing I noticed straight from the box was the fact that the hair was actually silky straight. When I mean silky straight, the hair was silky straight from the box. So generally you don't have to do anything at all when it comes to, you know, the customization of the hair, when it comes to straightening the hair. Another thing I noticed about the hair that I really like a lot is the lace, guys. Look at that, guys. Show me the lace. This lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Like, seriously, I love the lace. The lace is very soft and very easy to work with. I love the fact that I didn't have to stress myself to install the hair. Everything has been done for you straight from the box. You don't have to bleach the knots. The knots has been bleached straight from the box. You don't have to pluck your hairline because the hairline has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. And you don't have to use any glue or gel to install the hair because the hair also come with an elastic band straight from the box. So everything has been done for you straight from the box. The hair is very easy to install. Everything has been done for you straight from the box, especially the hairline of this hair, guys. The hairline of this hair is just amazing. Like, seriously, you don't have to do anything. I love the lace of this wig. The lace of the wig is actually crystal clear, so you don't have to, you know, apply any foundation or concealer to your hairline or anything like that. Lace would actually disappear into your skin because it's crystal clear. As you guys can tell, show me the lace. Like, it's melted into my skin effortlessly. This is my natural hair. You can't tell me otherwise. Don't get this confused with transparent lace. This is not transparent lace. This is actually crystal lace. I'm going to show you the difference between both lace, because the crystal lace is super duper thin and very clear on the skin. Like, it disappears into the skin. So another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the quality of this hair is just amazing. As you guys can tell, I did not experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. This hair is silky straight from the box, and I didn't need to, you know, straighten the hair. But as always, I just have to do it for you guys to be able to know that you can actually straighten your hair. You can dye, tongue it, you can do anything to this hair. And if you get tired of wearing this hair straight, you guys know you can also curl this hair as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, the hair is super duper soft and very silky to touch. As you guys can tell, I am loving this hair. Atina Hair, our hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. This is my second time working with this brand, and I am really impressed with the quality of their hair the first time, and this second time as well. I super duper impressed because the quality of their hair is top notch. As you guys can tell, the hair is really full, at the same time it's very silky, and look at that bounciness to the hair. Like, despite the fact that the hair is straight, you can still feel that moisture to the hair. Super duper soft. Love this hair. Amazing. And the quality of this is super duper amazing as well. I love this brand. I love the fact that they paid attention into the construction of their cap. The fact that they did everything for you guys straight from the box is just one of the amazing things I love about this brand. In terms of their shipping took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which is amazing in my opinion, because buying hair online, you definitely need to put into consideration how long it's going to take for you to get the hair. But if you're based in the UK, I can assure you that you definitely get your hair in 4 days. So in terms of shipping, I'm definitely giving this brand a thumbs up. I love the fact that their shipping was really quick, and I love the fact that their packaging also comes with amazing goodies, and I love the fact that they paid attention to details when it comes to the quality of their product. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. Definitely recommend that you guys check out Atina website, because in terms of the hair quality, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the lace, it's definitely AA plus for me, and in terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their websites. I can assure you that when it comes to quality, you have nothing to worry about when it comes to quality of their hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.